Imagine having tools that help you save consistently, invest wisely, and grow your wealth all from the comfort of your phone. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 4 savings and investment apps you should be using right now to secure your financial future. These are apps that I personally use and love, so stay with me. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Anne. I am a chartered accountant with years of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, and on this channel, I cover all topics about money. How you can make more money, how you can save better, how you can invest profitably, so that we can retire well. So if that sounds like what you love to keep seeing, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you don't miss any new video from this channel that can help you. The first app we're going to be looking at today is actually the very first app I started with many years ago, and that is the Piggyvest app. Piggyvest is one of Nigeria's leading savings and investment app. It helped me a lot with my savings and discipline back in the day. It is very user-friendly. You can automate your savings, and they offer various investment opportunities in different sectors. They have over 8 years of experience and have helped Nigerians invest billions and also improve their savings discipline. Most importantly, they are duly registered by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. Funds in Piggyvest are also insured by the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC), so you're very safe with them. They have different saving products, which include the Piggyvest, which offers you 14% interest per annum. With Piggyvest, you can automate your savings. You can save daily, weekly, or monthly. That means you can give them an instruction to take this particular amount of money from your account at the frequency you choose. Piggy bank helps with your savings discipline because the withdrawals are limited. You can only withdraw at a certain time in a year. So just the way you give a bank a standard instruction to take money from your account at a regular basis, the same way you can give Piggyvest an instruction to take money from your account into your piggy bank savings at a given period you choose. Piggyvest also has a safe lock feature where you can save your money and lock it up for a period of time. You can earn between 12 to 17% on this particular package, and this is really good because when you put it there, you forget about it until the date that you have chosen. So this really helps with discipline. Another amazing feature they have is the diversified product. Here, Piggyvest gives us amazing opportunities to invest with low startup capital. I must warn you though, these investments are usually sold out fast. So when you see it, you need to grab it immediately. And some of these investments offer up to 35% per annum returns. Amazing, right? They also have the Flex Savings in Naira, which gives you up to 12% interest, and the Dollar Flex, which gives you up to 7% interest. Yes, you can actually save in dollars and earn interest in dollars. These rates are very attractive and way more than what your traditional banks offer you. With Piggyvest, you get to enjoy automated savings, and this will really help if you struggle with savings and you're not so disciplined. Help you with wealth creation through their attractive interest rates and their investment opportunities, and also make your funds secured by being duly registered and licensed by the appropriate authorities. The next app we're going to be looking at to help you in your financial freedom journey is the Bamboo app. The Bamboo app is an investment platform that allows users to invest in US stocks, Nigerian stocks, ETFs, and other assets. It gives users access to over 3,000 stocks, making it a very wonderful tool in diversifying your portfolio. The Bamboo app also offers you fixed return investments in dollars. One thing I love about the Bamboo app is that they offer continuous free trainings to teach you all about investing and how to improve your investment journey. I also have a video here about how you can get started with Bamboo, register, get the app, fund your account, and start buying shares. So feel free to check this video out right after this video. With the Bamboo app, you can buy your US stocks, you can buy your Nigerian stocks, you can also buy treasury bills, for 90 days, 182 days, or 364 days. You can also go for their fixed returns dollar package, which gives you 8% for your dollar investments. Bamboo is a registered member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange and is duly licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Bamboo is one of the most user-friendly platforms I've come across. It is very easy to understand because of its simple interface. So it's a platform that I normally recommend to beginners because it is very easy to use. And that brings us to the next app, which is the new kid in the block, which I have completely fallen in love with, and that is the Optimus app. The Optimus app not only helps you to save at very good interest rates, but you can also invest in US stock and also invest in various mutual funds. Think of it as Piggyvest and Bamboo put together. They have different packages like the OptiFlex Naira, which offers you 13% in returns, the OptiFlex Dollar, which offers you 4% in dollar returns, the OptiLock Naira, which gives you up to 20% in returns, and the OptiLock Dollar, which gives you up to 7% in returns. You can also buy US shares from this platform and mutual funds both in Naira and dollar. Some of these mutual funds have given returns of over 19%. The Optimus platform also has a thriving and growing community over in Telegram, which you can join and discuss and interact with like-minded investing individuals. You can also have free access to them to ask them questions in case if you have any areas you need clarity, and also have them help you with any challenge you encounter while using the app. The Optimus app is very user-friendly, helping you to diversify your investments and grow wealth. It also gives you peace of mind by being secured. They are properly registered by the Securities and Exchange Commission, so your funds are safe with them. I've been using this app for some time now, and I literally preach it everywhere I go. Like, I force people to download the app, register, and start using it. Really, this app is amazing. I simply love it. And that brings us to the next app we're going to be looking at, and that is the AfriInvest app. AfriInvest is owned by a well-established investment company here in Nigeria with over 25 years of experience in the investment space. They are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission in Nigeria. You know, I keep emphasizing this because it is important to make sure that the people you're giving your money are licensed and regulated. This is very important. These companies that run away with your money are companies that can easily do this because they are not licensed and regulated by these platforms I mentioned in this video. So it's always important to make sure that any company you're giving your money for savings or investments are duly registered, licensed, and insured. With the AfriInvest app, you can buy Nigerian stocks. They offer over 300 shares for you to choose from. They also offer a lot of Naira and dollar funds that you can invest in. With AfriInvest, you can actually subscribe to the federal government savings bonds. I've actually mentioned that in some of my previous videos. This opportunity usually comes out every month within the first week, where you can give your money to the federal government for a period of about 2 to 3 years at very good interest rates, and you stand to earn income quarterly from this investment. The AfriInvest app is also working on introducing the treasury bills and commercial papers, so hopefully very soon you'll also be able to do this on the platform. One thing I also love about this app is that they continuously educate their investors by having videos that cover different topics from shares, stocks, commercial papers, treasury bills, so you stand to be educated when you use this app. These apps I mentioned in this video, which are all available on both the Android and Apple devices, represent the top best investment apps in Nigeria today. Each of them, with their unique products, focuses on helping you achieve your financial goals. So whether you're looking to automate your savings, invest in US stocks, invest in local stocks, invest in the agri or real estate sector, there is something for you in any of these apps. Please note that you don't have to have all of them. You can start with 2 and grow from there. Let me know in the comment section which of these apps you're currently using and why you love using it. Also, remember to drop any questions you have in the comment section and I will personally respond to you. Hit the like button and subscribe to this video if you haven't already done so. Until I see you in my next video, remember that you empower your financial future by every action you take today. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.